Have you ever imagined the concept of getting rich quick, courtesy of artificial intelligence? The era of AI's financial power is upon us. In this segment, we'll delve into the immense potential of AI in wealth creation, the method one can utilize it for monetary growth, and furnish you with concrete examples of individuals who have seen their fortunes multiply using AI. So buckle up as we take a swift journey into the realm of rapid success and affluence powered by the marvels of AI. Breaking it down, we must first comprehend what AI is all about. Artificial intelligence, in its most basic interpretation, is a subset of computer science. Its objective is to equip software with the capability to draw conclusions from the data it processes, mimicking the way humans think. This whole process is anchored on the principles of algorithms and machine learning. The latter's importance cannot be overstated. It's a pivotal component in the AI spectrum. Step 1. Prioritize education. The realm of artificial intelligence may come across as daunting, but it's open to all who possess a hunger for learning. It's crucial to begin with the bedrock principles of AI and machine learning. Utilization of the plethora of online courses and materials is a key step in your journey. These resources, readily available at your fingertips, serve as compass guiding you through this captivating realm of technology. The importance of educating oneself in AI cannot be overstated. It is indeed the ignition spark to your journey in this fascinating world. In our journey, we delve into the second step, recognizing the potential of AI. From healthcare to finance, the artificial intelligence revolution is completely reshaping our world, offering a wealth of opportunities. The crux of this step lies in identifying areas where AI can be utilized to solve pressing issues or streamline processes. Could this take the form of a savvy app to manage personal finances? Or might it emerge as an intelligent tool revolutionizing the work of healthcare professionals? The key is in exploring these opportunities and understanding where AI can truly make a difference. Step 3. Forge an AI solution. Once you've identified areas where AI can induce transformation, it's time to craft a solution. This primarily involves constructing an AI model capable of predicting, automating, or optimizing distinct tasks or processes. Keep in mind, the most triumphant AI solutions are those that tackle genuine and urgent issues. Concentrating on resolving these real and pressing problems should be your main objective while creating AI solutions. Step 4. Making profits from your solution. After you've a valuable AI solution, the next move is to transform it into a profit-generating venture. This can be achieved in a variety of ways: by selling your product to customers who will find it useful, by offering your AI solution as a service that can be regularly used by clients, or by licensing your technology to other businesses who can use it to enhance their operations. Step 5. The art of scaling. Once your AI solution has begun to generate revenue, the next strategic move to consider is how you can amplify its impact. This might involve penetrating new markets, re-engineering your solution to address a wider range of issues. Scaling isn't merely about growth, it's about extending your reach and exponentially amplifying your influence. To harness the power of AI for wealth creation, here's a quick summary of the steps you need to take. Initiate by equipping yourself with knowledge about AI and machine learning. Identify the areas where AI can bring about a change. Develop an AI solution to target a specific problem. Monetize your solution. Scale your business to boost your earnings and impact. The road to riches with AI isn't a dash, but a long-distance run, demanding patience, persistence, and constant learning. But with the right mindset and strategy, AI can be your golden ticket to financial success. Are you ready to grasp the future and let AI lay the groundwork for your path to prosperity? There's no time like the present to start.